One day, presumably while the prophet Daniel was out of town, Nebuchadnezzar, the king of Babylon, decided to have a worship party. But he did not wish to worship God. Instead, he decided to make a golden idol for all the people of Babylon to worship. As soon as the music started, everyone was told to bow down and worship the golden image. Anyone who did not would be thrown in a burning furnace. Some of the king's attendants came forward to report about some 3 young Jews.
Your Majesty, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, the people who you place high ranks in Babylon, are disobeying your commandment of worshipping you and your gods.
What? Very well. Bring them forth to me, and I will pass judgment unto them.
Very well, Your Majesty.
The king's attendant then called for Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego to have an audience with the king.
Your Majesty, why have you called for us?
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, is it true that you disobeyed my commands about worshipping me and my God?
Truth be told, my king, that is correct.
I would forgive you if you would kneel right now.
Unless you want to be burnt alive. Of course, who else could save you from this fate?
Your threat means nothing to us. Even if you throw us into the fire, the God we serve will rescue us from your wrath, O king. We will never serve you and your God, no matter what.
Fools! You think your God could save you? You've made the wrong decision. Guard! Arrest them! Put them in the furnace! No! You will be burnt alive! No! Yes, you will!
Do you put 3 men there? In the furnace? Why am I seeing a 4th? And the 4th one looks like the Son of God. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, hail your God, the one true God. Come out of their furnace.
Still in shock, the king checked if their bodies were not harmed.
Bless the gods of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, their one true God. I hereby announce that all race, creed, and color worship the one true God.